my foxy little peeps. Okay, so don't mind my hair. I just got out of the shower, got back from work. It's like almost 11. Had to go in at 8 o'clock for a meeting. Got back about 10:30-ish. So I'll be taking a little nap. I am looking up in the corner. There is a spider up there. Ow! There's a spider. I'm highly afraid of spiders. Anywho, so I thought I'd show you outside. We've got rain. See, it's wet. It's dripping. There is rain outside, and it's somewhat turning to snow now. I don't know if you can tell, but it is turning to snow. There you can see like the river somewhat. See, there's the river, covered in ice. See, yeah, see, you can see the snow on that tree. Oh, there goes a car. Ha ha ha. So, yeah. Snowing. Well, now it's snowing. It was raining. And it's December. It is raining in December in South Dakota. OMG. But, yeah. And that's all I know for today. Not much. I have to work later on again, so I'm going to take myself a little nappy. And then I have to go to work at 4. Yay! So, thanks for watching. Bye!